very much as you'd see them in the wild, again with them being in a large group. Now guys, this does actually bring us to the end of our bird prey show, but before you do go off, I've just got a couple more things to mention. As I said before, Yellow Bucket is there if you'd like to leave any coppers to go into our rescue programme. Apart from that though, the Bird of Prey Centre is open today, and seeing as it is Wizard Week, we are only charging £1